Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to find trending products for you to sell on Shopify. Now with that being said, let's head on straight to our computer browser, and there are many ways for you to search a trending product for you to sell. Now I normally use this website right here, that is trends.google.com. So I'm just going to head on to this website. As you can see right here, you can now actually search for trending products or trending images, trending videos for you to sell. So for now, let's search for trending products. So once you're in the Google Trends, just hit on Explore right here and add a search item. Now for now, let's say for example, we are selling clothes in our Shopify. So, and now summer is coming, and let's just search for a term like summer clothes, like that. And underneath right here on this worldwide section, you can actually change this, and you can change it to whatever country you are or whatever region you feel like selling. So for now, let's say United States right here. And on the timeline, make sure to have this under past 12 months or past 90 days. So give it a little bit of time so you can actually see the niche, if it is growing or if it is not growing. So I'm just gonna head on past 90 days right here. And the categories, let's just leave it like all categories. And right here under web search, this is very important. Make sure to have this on Google Shopping. So you can have image search, news search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. Now we are selling, obviously, so hit this Google Shopping for you to have a lot of results. So as you can see right here, it is very trending. So around February 28th of 2023. The graph actually peaks right here, so over time it is not really good. And once you hit again on April 25, it is growing, and right here it is at its peak again, and now it is very down right here. So if you find this one very good or not, so in my case it is not really good right here, because as you can see it is declining, the graph is declining. So over time maybe this will decline again. So let's search for another trending products. Let's say spring dress, and there you have it. This is the graph that I am looking for. So as you can see right here, it is not very good, but once I hit on around this time on May 5, it is now trending. So this is very good right here, and we know that the spring dress is trending. So once I go down, you have a lot of related topics right here, so you can just search on that real quick. And next is the related queries, so you can actually click this one and see what it's all about. So just click on Explore right here. So as you can see, in New Jersey they have a lot of searches right here, in Illinois, in Massachusetts, in Louisiana, and in Georgia. So basically spring dress is actually trending right now at this peak right here. So now that we know that spring dress is trending, we can actually sell a spring dress right about now. So first I'm going to go to my Shopify website. I'm going to log into my Shopify, and now I'm going to my store right here. And what I usually do to search for products or to import products to my Shopify is I usually use Deezer's AliExpress. So you can actually use CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, or any other dropshipping websites. But in my personal experience, I don't have any problems when I use CJ Deezer's AliExpress. So what I want to do is go to my search icon right here, and I'm just gonna click on Deezer's. So make sure to integrate Deezer's and Shopify. So once you have done that, this is the Deezer's website. So for now, as you can see, I have a import list right here. So I'm gonna show you how to actually import a product. So let me just delete all of this so that it will be clean to look at. There you have it. So for now, the trending product that we are trying to sell is spring dress. So I'm just gonna go to find suppliers right here, and I'm gonna enter keywords to search. So let's search on spring dress. As you can see, it is processing, and there you have it. There are a lot of spring dresses for us to sell. So what I normally do is I want to find a lot of stars right here. So this means this is the rating. I'm gonna find a rating that is, I think 4 stars is good, but if there are 5-star ratings, so I'm just gonna go for 5-star rating. So as you can see, there are no 5-star ratings to no avail. So for example, let's just try to import this one to our Shopify, a spring women's maxi dress. So there you have it. I think this looks cool. I think this looks nice. So yeah, let's try to import this. So what I normally do is once I find a product that I like to import, basically add this to import list. So just click on add to import list right here, and as you can see in my import list, I have already one. Now you can actually import a lot of products. So let's import, I think 3 products is enough. So let's find another dress for us to import on the second page. I think this looks elegant here, but it has 0 ratings, so I'm not gonna do that. This one looks nice. Let's hit on this to get a better view. So as you can see right here, I think this looks cool. So let's import this. Again, just click on add to import list, and as you can see, once I click on this, the import list I have is already 2. Next is let's add another product, or let's add a last product. So let's go to, and right here I think this is good. It has 5-star rating. Let's open this one in the new tab to get a better view. So as you can see right here, it has a 5-star rating, and I think this is very good, but it's quite expensive. So I mean, it's up to you, maybe if you want to sell expensive products. So but for now I think this is very good. So I'm just gonna import this again to my import list, and once I go to my import list, as you can see, all the imported products that we just imported is now visible. So next is to click on the products, or to check on the products, and simply click on push to Shopify. So once you have done that, you can actually have the option to continue selling when all of these items are out of stock. So it's all up to you. So next is I'm gonna check this one, and next is also published to online stores. I'm just gonna click on this one as well. So once you have done that, just click on push to Shopify. So as you can read, 3 products are being pushed. There you have it. I have successfully pushed 3 products. And now once I go to my online store, I'm just gonna check my products right here on the products section. And as you can see, I have a lot of products right now, but here are the 3 products that I have recently imported. So as you can see, this one, and this one. So as you can see, it is very simple and it's very straightforward. So all you have to do is go to Deezer's import list and find a supplier. And now if you have decided what trending product you have searched, just go to the Deezer's import list and search for the products that you want to import, and make sure to click on import right here, like add to import list. Please don't click on the product because it automatically go to the product page right here, and it says buy now and add to cart. So as you can see, there are no import list options right about here. So make sure to hover your cursor to the product and click on add to import list, and go to import list, and now check the product that you want to push to Shopify. And now once it is successfully pushed, just go back to your Shopify store and go to products and locate or check the product that you have recently imported if it is successfully imported. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you have some questions or some suggestion or some comments, please feel free to comment down on the comment section down below. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!